Hey girlfriends, thank you for tuning into Tish BTV. This video is very quick and it's very cute, and it's all about creating tassel bookmarks, and this will be good for your planner or to mark the pages in your favorite book. The supplies needed were inspired by a sale that Hobby Lobby had, and all I needed was a paper clip and a few more tools that I'll show you in just a moment. But look how cute these turned out. And of course, now I'm addicted to them. I add them to my planning pages, I add them to my favorite books, and I have even gifted some of these to a few of my clients when I am preparing their client folders. So cute. So are you ready to see how I made this in under 10 or 15 seconds? Let's get started. The tassel here has a little hook that is already attached to it, and that is pretty much all we need. Now, one other thing that I did purchase, which was maybe about $2, are O-rings. Now, they're singular O-rings, and those sometimes can come loose, and I want these to be a little bit more durable. So I purchased the double O-rings, and my camera here is being a hater and it's not letting me focus, but it has two rings on it, if that makes sense. So it takes a lot to really pull it apart for the item to fall off of it. I hope that you can see that. That camera's just not letting me be great here with this. I'm using my needle nose pliers to pull apart the prong just enough to get it onto the hook of the tassel that's already on there, and that's just to create this one piece. And with the large paper clip, I'm using a large gold paper clip because I just like to use these. You can use whatever you like. It goes on super easy. You can make a few of these, I promise, in under maybe 10 minutes or so, to have, sitting on your desk ready to be used for your stationery, your favorite books that you're reading, or to gift them to friends or clients. I just love how these turned out. Girlfriends, if you like this project, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment area if you're going to be making a few of these for yourself or for someone else. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the Tish Beat TV channel. I'd love to have you stay around and have fun with me here. Until next time, design and live the life that you love. Have a great day, girlfriends. Bye.